King regards these tutor and climatics. A teacher development of task force stage 2. Record a video. To develop this stage 2, I have chosen the following situation that I have had in my personal life with I have titled like this. My experience riding a horse with my family. Hello, I hope you are well. My name is Julio Alexander Ortega. Will tell you how was my experience reading with my family. We have gone to visit my relatives on the stay. My parents and my younger brother along with his wife and children. They have their lives. They have worked there for a long time, and my brothers has helped them with the work. They have worked hard for a long time, and my brothers helped them with the work. With the passage of time, they have won a horse and have left my now, so I have traveled with my family to know the property. And by there we have taken the opportunity to ride a horse. We, we have enjoyed this unusual, wonderful experience. Thank you very much.